How to fix Snapchat camera. First thing, open the settings on your phone, go to the apps manager, and right here on this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. All what you want to do is wait a few seconds, and after that scroll until you find Snapchat. If you didn't find it, you can search for it here in the search bar. Anyway, click on Snapchat and then click on force stop to stop the app, and click force stop. This app may stop working properly if you force stop it. So click force stop like this and then go to the storage, click on clear data and click on delete. Go back and then click on the permissions here. Make sure that all permissions are enabled. And the last thing you want to do now is go to the Play Store or the App Store. If you have iPhone, you can do the same thing. Search for Snapchat and update it. And now turn off your phone and turn it on again. Don't forget to like, subscribe.